Hi friends, if you are preparing for civil services examination, public service commissions and CDS and NDA, then various competitive examination like SSC, government jobs, or you want to have a good command over current affairs, then you should be joining this Telegram group which is free of cost, and the name of the Telegram group is Pariksha Sarthi Current Affairs. Here you get current affairs quiz, news every day, news clippings every day. So friends, we'll go for the quiz of 2 days, that is last 2 days. Now we'll answer it serially. First I will read you the questions, then we will discuss the answers. The first question comes in your screen is, what code name has Israel given to its ongoing fights against Hamas? And your options are A. Operation Gaza, Operation Iron Man, C. Operation Iron Sword, D. Operation Attack. The government of India, question number 2, the government of India has started the residential education scheme Shresth for which category of students? A. Scheduled tribe, B. Scheduled caste, C. Other backward classes, OBC, D. For all the categories of students. Who is the president of Tanzania who has become the first woman to receive an honorary doctorate degree from JNU? And your options are Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, B. Cindy Cairo, D. Susan Dogan, D. Samia Sulu Hassan. Question fourth. Who inaugurated the India NCX 2023 ceremony? A. Anurag Thakur, B. Rahul Anand, D. Ajay Kumar Sood. Sorry, C is Ajay Kumar Sood and D is Rajiv Sinha. Question number 5. Which Indian men's double pair has secured the first position in BWF, that is badminton rankings? And your options are A. B. Sai Praneeth and Shrikant Kidambi, B. Satvik Sairaj and Chirag Sethi, C. Lakshya Sen and Satvik Siraj, D. Satvik Siraj and B. Sai Praneeth. We move to the second quiz. You see here the news clippings are coming in this vibrant group. Now the question is, that is the quiz number 2, that is for today's. In which state will the 37th National Games be organized? And your options are A. Bihar, B. Assam, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Goa. Question number 2. In which district did UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji unveil the statue of freedom fighter Raja Rao? And your options are A. Kanpur, B. Unnao, C. Varanasi, D. Muradabad. Question number 3. Which team has made the record of the biggest run chase in the history of ODI World Cup? And your options are A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Australia, D. Sri Lanka. Question number 4. When is the World Post Day celebrated every year? And your options are A. 6th October, B. 7th October, C. 8th October, D. 9th October. Last question for the day. Which country will host the G20 Parliament Speaker Summit in October 2023? And your options are A. Brazil, B. Indonesia, C. India, D. France. Now we move to the answers of these questions serially, 10 questions. And you can check what responses you have given against the correct answer. The first question was, what code name has Israel given to its ongoing fight against Hamas? It is option C is correct here. Yes, 45% people who have taken the quiz are correctly marking it. It is Operation Iron Sword. Option C is correct. The government of India has started the residential education scheme Shrestha for which category of students? So it is option B is correct. Yeah, 31% have marked it correctly. Scheduled caste category students. Who is the president of Tanzania who has become the first woman to receive an honorary doctorate degree from JNU? And your option D, Samia Sulu Hassan, is the correct answer. 39% people who have taken the quiz have marked it correctly. Who inaugurated the India NCX 2023 ceremony? It is Principal Secretary IAS Ajay Kumar Sood ji, that is option C is correct here. Which Indian men's double pair has secured the first position in the BWF rankings? It is option B, Satvik Sairaj and Chirag Shetty is the correct answer. You see here the again news clippings are there on daily basis, quizzes on the daily basis. In which state will the 37th national games be organized? So option D, that is Goa, is the correct answer here, and it will be organized in the last week of October and the first week of November in Goa. In which district did UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath unveil the statue of freedom fighter Raja Rao? It is the Unnao district of Uttar Pradesh, which is the correct answer. Option B is correct here. Which team has made the record of the biggest run chase in the history of ODI World Cup? It is not all the ODIs, but it is in the World Cup. Very recently in this World Cup, Pakistan had made the 344 runs against Sri Lanka, and that is the correct answer. Option B is the correct. When is the World Post Day celebrated every year? It is 9th October. 47% people have marked it correctly. Which country will host the G20 Parliament Speaker Summit in October 2023? There is a bit of confusion because Brazil will be hosting this G20 summit from next year. But this year host was our country only. So this is India. Option C is the correct answer. 54% have marked it correctly. So friends, to get a grasp over the things of current affairs and the examination pertaining general awareness questions, you will get in this vibrant Telegram group, that is Pariksha Sarthi Current Affairs. I will provide you with the link of this Telegram group whereby you can join this Telegram group for free. Thank you and good luck, friends.